What's up guys, it's me or Jimmy Geek. I'm recording the essential phone PH-1 in 4K. I'm using the OpenCamera app. Why I'm using the OpenCamera app? Because I could not use my Bluetooth controller with the official camera app. So I'm using a Bluetooth controller to record the video. So yeah, this is the 4K selfie camera. I have seen a lot of selfie camera, but I have never seen such a beautiful crisp selfie camera. The second best selfie camera is Nokia 8. Yes, it's debatable. Is Nokia 8 better or the essential phone better? Nokia 8 and essential phone is a manly phone. Galaxy S9 and rest of the crap is like woman phone. They are like woman phone. Look at the design of the phone. They are made for women. When you hold the essential phone, it look like you are a man. You are a man. When you hold Nokia, it look like you are a man. Something built rugged. When you hold Galaxy, look at the design. It's good for like girls, not for boys like us. So the essential phone 4K camera is a killer camera. The main reason I bought is that a lot of people complain, Jimmy, you never answer our question. You're not very busy. Now I have a essential phone. I have a selfie stick. I can easily, you see, I can easily vlog, and then I can easily make the video as I like. I am really very much impressed with the essential phone selfie camera. I have never seen a better selfie camera ever, to be honest with you. Let me be honest with you, I have never seen a better selfie camera. So you need to be the judge how good is the video quality of it. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.